Oh, that's a good girl. Hey friends, let's talk about protein, creatine, and nutrient timing. So I just finished my morning conditioning session down in the garage, did 10 minutes on the rowing machine, focusing on long, powerful pulls, then finished off with some heavy sandbag work at 250 pounds. Let's go. So in terms of timing, you wanna make sure that you're getting at least 30 grams of protein within 30 minutes of finishing your workout. Why? Protein are the building blocks of muscle. So if you guys wanna build that nice, lean, strong muscle mass that you're looking for, you wanna make sure that you're helping your body to recover and repair. For my shakes, I do 20 ounces of whole milk mixed with 1 scoop of Ascent Protein lemon sorbet. I also have a scoop of creatine monohydrate in here. In terms of creatine, there is no right or wrong time to take it, but our bodies definitely like it when we take it after working out because once again, it will help with that recover and repair process. Bonus points if you have some carbs along with your creatine and protein. Now, over the course of your day, you wanna make sure you're getting at least 1 gram of protein per pound of body weight. So if you weigh 200 pounds, make sure that you're getting at least 200 grams over the course of your day. You can do that through a combination of food and supplements. I actually aim to get a little closer to 1.5 times body weight. I weigh a little bit over 200 pounds and I go for about 300 grams of protein every day. Some people might say that's overkill, but I've been doing it for the last 11 years and it works out pretty well for me. I do about 3 protein shakes per day. I drink a lot of whole milk, but the rest of it comes from chicken, steak, beef, shrimp, salmon, whatever kind of meat you guys like, it's all good. All right, friends, that's all for now. Get off TikTok, go work out, and get some protein.